Hello children, now I will show you one more topic, that is the rationalizing factor. Rational, rationalising, rationalizing factor, factor factor. Actually, what does it mean? Let me explain you that. So actually, when the product of, now rational and irrational number, now we'll discuss when the product, say when the product of two irrational numbers, numbers two irrational numbers is a rational, clear, is a rational rational number, is a rational number, then we can say that, then, clear, then each rationalizing factor, then each rationalizing, rationalising, each rationalizing factor, just we can say that of the other, just each that means we can say then each rationalizing factor of the other, just this is the rationalizing factor. Let me discuss you that, then you will understand. When the product of two irrational number is a rational number, clear, when the product of two irrational number is a rational number, then each rationalizing factor, we can say that each is rationalizing factor, then we can say each is, right, then each is rationalizing factor of the other, then we can say that then each is rationalizing factor of the other means, say suppose one irrational number a plus, say suppose root b, then by conjugate term, if we just multiply, say suppose this is a plus, we will multiply this one by a minus root over b. Now you see here the formula, if we use a plus b into a minus b, formula will get a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. B is your square root of b, which you have seen in the previous identity. So here we are getting a square, and square root of b square means square root of b into square root of b, that is, you will get b. So this number is coming as a rational number. That means we can say that rationalizing factor of a minus root b will be a plus root over b, or if we say rationalizing factor of this term a plus root b, just we will say a minus root b. I think it's clear. So that's why I have written then each is rationalizing factor of the other. Rationalizing factor of this one will be this one, and if we say rationalizing factor of this one will be this one. Just they are each of them is one of the rationalizing factor of the other. Clear? Say suppose if I say what is the rationalizing factor of 7, root 7, you will say root 7. Clear? Because root 7 into root 7 you will get 7. Clear? Like that. Clear? That means you are getting a rational number. Clear? So when you will get the rational number, by what you are multiplying, that simplest one, so with that one we will say that is the simplest rationalizing factor. Clear? So based on this I'll show you some problem, you will understand it better. Clear? So let me show you some problem based on this rationalizing factor. I'll show you some problem. You can see, say rationalize the denominator of each of the following. I'm writing one question. Rationalize the denominator, rationalize the denominator, clear, of the following. Clear? I mean from the following numbers, that may be rational or irrational. Let's see number 1. I'm saying 1 by root 7. Here I said rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is root 7. So this one will make rational number. So in order to make it rational number, to make it a rational number, I have to multiply this one by root 7. So whatever you do in the denominator, the same thing you have to do in the numerator. Why we do that? That means if we root 7 by root 7, if we divide, it makes 1. Clear? So if we multiply anything by 1, you get the same number. So these things we can do. So now you are getting root 7 into root 7 is 7, and 1 into root 7 you will get root 7. So our aim is to make the denominator a rational number. So that way you are making the denominator a rational number. Clear? So that way you have to do. Clear? One more just problem you see, 1 by square root of 12. So first of all you write it in simplest form. So 1 by, if you split this 12, you see 12, you will get like this, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6, so 2 square into 3. So this 12 you can write 2 square into 3. Now you see 1 by, this is being square root, you can make it out, so you'll get 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So that means square root of 12 means 2 root 3. Clear? So you can write this one 2 root 3. Now just this is an irrational number. So this irrational number you make it into rational number. If you make this one into rational number, you have to multiply this one by root 3. So 2 root 3. So this one you have to multiply by root 3. So in the numerator also we do the same thing, root 3. So now you see 2 root 3 into root 3, 3, and 1 into root 3 you get root 3. Clear? So here 2 3 is just 6, and here we get numerator root 3. So this is the simplest rationalizing factor of the denominator. Clear? So that way we will show you some more problem. So this one just I'm giving you, that you try one at home. Only one problem from here I'm giving you, 3 2 root 5. So this problem just you try at home. Clear? So in the next video I'll show you some more video, and that one will do a little bit after this much. Clear? So this one, remember, this one you will do at home, 3 by 2 root 5.